Hey everybody, this is going to be the last video of this restoration series. I'm about to put the second coat on and that's it. They're done, you know. So yeah, they already look good. Second coat is just very light coat, but you can see some spots like this one needs it. This one looks pretty good for the most part. So I've put in money-wise towards this, $140 towards the weights, four cans of Tremclad, which were $9 each, 2 brushes, 2 $5 buckets, but they're also, I'll make money off of those, but we're still counting that into the price. 3-in-1 oil, which was $5, and 6 gallons of vinegar, which was $12. So with tax and whatnot, I figured this whole thing is about $225-ish. So I'm going to say just $225. And that's like 3 bars, 2 dumbbell bars, about like 600 pounds of steel weights and 70 pounds of plastic weights. So, and all the clamps for the bars too. So I already sold, I listed, I couldn't list anything of this or make a set out of it because they just weren't dry yet. They still have some time to go. But I took all the small weights, like 4 10s, 4 5s, 4 2.5s, 70 pounds, and I took the 2 dumbbell bars and made a set, 70 pounds, listed it for 60 bucks. I had, I swear, like 8 people contact me in the first 10 minutes. And some kid on a bike, like get this, on a bike with a hockey bag, shows up, paid me 55 bucks for him. So I'm already back down to 170. I'm in for 170. So this is what it is, and I definitely think I'm gonna make a few hundred, probably somewhere around $250 to $300, hopefully more, off this whole thing. And I think total maybe I put in, you know, it took all week, right? It's not like this happened in a day, but just something you work at for a little bit every day. 15 minutes at a time to spray these, and you walk away. Spray them again, walk away. Scrubbing them's the only thing that takes kind of the longest time, and then you also have to wait for them to dry after you scrub them and rinse them. You can wait for them in the tubs. So it's a lot of waiting. But overall, I don't know, I could say I put maybe, I don't even want to say I put 10 hours in. Like, I could say 10 hours, I think that's generous. Well, with listing, let's say 10 hours. I still think that's generous. Because scrubbing total, okay, I'm gonna say 15 hours. So if I make $250 or 300 is easily 20 an hour, obviously. So that's good for me. But let's hope we make more, and I honestly think the hours are much low. It's probably more realistically like, yeah, 10, because I wasn't thinking about the barbells. Probably good 5 hours of scrubbing, 6 hours of scrubbing, hour and a half, 2 hours of painting, and and then just loading and everything, going to Home Depot. Yeah, let's say 15 hours. So yeah, that's it for this. When these dry, they're just getting racked up on the bar and listed as fast as possible. And I've already thought out how I'm gonna kind of put the sets, and maybe I'll do one more update before I list those and show how I'm listing them, like with the bars, and how I've decided to create sets, like how I made the sets. But if not, then this is the last video. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and obviously start on part 1. And yeah, keep a lookout for more videos like this and other kind of videos, like what to buy and sell in your local market. Alright, this is Ben. Peace.